of all, you are supposed to know what is matter, atom, and molecules. So what is a matter? First, matter means any substance which has mass and occupies space. Okay, any substance which is having mass, mass means weight, and any substance which occupies space, that is known as a matter. That is known as a matter. Okay, then what is the definition of atom? The smallest particle of the chemical element that exists is known as a atom. So what is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an atom, or we can say of an matter. So what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything which is having mass and it is occupying space. Okay. Now, what is the atom? The definition of the atom, you can say it as the smallest particle of the matter is known as a atom. Then what are molecules? Molecules are formed by the chemical combination of atoms. When two atoms combine together and have some chemical reaction with them, that time they form the molecules. They form a molecules. Now here there are picture of matter and atom. So matter, let us take an example of laddu. Everyone loves laddu. Okay. So when all the particles of the laddu are collected together and given a shape of a circle, that time the laddu is prepared. Okay, so the whole laddu is known as a matter. वो पूरा जो लड्डू है, that is a matter. और उसमें से हमने एक small particle निकाला, तो that is a matter. Sorry, that is an atom. Okay, समझ में आया अभी matter, atom, molecules का मतलब? तो molecules क्या है? Matter क्या है? When you bind a laddu, that time the whole thing is known as a matter. Okay, the whole laddu is known as a matter because all the atoms are collected together and they are bind in a one shape, that is known as matter. So what is matter? Matter is a substance which is having mass. So this laddu is also having mass and it also occupies space. So what is a matter? Matter is a substance which is having mass and space. Now I hope you understood what is a matter and what is an atom. So atom is the smallest particle of the matter. यानी छोटा सा particle जो लड्डू का हम लोग ने निकाला है, that is a smallest particle of the matter is known as a atom. And now in atoms there are many elements, different elements are present. So these elements or these molecules together these molecules are known as formed by the atoms are known as molecules. Okay, so for example हम लोग अगर water लेंगे तो what is the molecular formula for water? H2O. So water is generally, is it an atom? No, it is not an atom. Is it a molecule? Yes, it is a molecule. Then types of atom are present in molecules. So hydrogen and oxygen, these two are the molecules which are present in the water. Okay, and water is not an element, it is an compound. So I hope you have understood. And atom, now most of the students have given me the correct answer that atom is generally made up of neutrons, protons and electrons. Okay, so neutrons, protons and electrons are atom is made up of electrons, neutrons and protons. So I hope you have understood till here Dalton's theory. So according to Dalton's theory, the matter is made up of atoms and atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Now what is a matter? Matter is made up of atoms, and do you know students that atoms cannot be destroyed and it cannot be prepared also. So it is indivisible, okay, and it is indestructible, means it cannot be destroyed. The second point of the Dalton's theory was all the atoms of the elements are alike while different elements have different atoms with different mass. Now all the atoms are made up of elements. Okay. Now some elements are alike, means they are same, while some elements are having different atoms and with different mass. तो हमने यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल देखा था वाटर ऑक्सीजन का. So some atoms are made up of the similar elements, while some are made up of different elements and they are having different mass also. तो हर एक को कोई different mass के. तो for example आपने water देखा होगा, water में 2 molecules of hydrogen is required and 1 molecule of oxygen is required for the combination of the water to form the compound. 2 atoms of hydrogen is required and 1 atom of oxygen is required. So the element maybe the atom is an element. It can be of alike. The elements can be alike, or the elements will be different also with different mass. तो यहाँ पे hydrogen and hydrogen के दो molecules इसलिए hydrogen and hydrogen, they both are alike, but oxygen is different. So when they all combine together, they are having different atom and different mass. Okay. Now the third point that you are supposed to know in Dalton's atomic theory, that is Dalton turns out to be a hard solid sphere with no internal structure. So I told you the example of matter. Matter means a laddu. So when all the atoms are bind together to form a matter, that time it becomes hard solid sphere and you don't have any internal structure in it. So that is about the atom. And according to him, Dalton's theory, the mass is distributed uniformly in all the atoms. Uniformly means सब में बराबर से बांटा जाता है. Okay, so once again we will see what is the Dalton's theory. All the matter is made up of very tiny particles called as atom. Okay, so what is matter? Again I'm explaining you to understand this Dalton's theory. So Dalton's theory में first आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि matter क्या है. So matter is made up of is having a mass and occupies space. Then what is atom? Atom means all the matter that is made up of very tiny particles is called as atoms. You can say that tiny particles of matter are known as atoms. Okay. Then the next point you have to remember in this Dalton's theory, that atoms are indivisible. Means you cannot divide the atom. Okay, so atom cannot be divided and it can neither be created or nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. तो आपको ये चीज समझ में आनी चाहिए कि एटम को हम लोग डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Neither we can create an atom nor we can destroy the atom. Okay, then the atom is an atom is having identically different mass and chemical properties. Means every atom is having its different mass and different chemical properties. For example, hydrogen is having different mass and different chemical properties, whereas oxygen is having different mass and different chemical properties. Okay, then the atoms of different elements are having different mass and chemical properties. So if two different atoms come together, then they will have different mass and different chemical properties. Okay, then the atom is having the ratio of small numbers to form a compound. Now, for example, water. Water may H2O. So you are having a small number of molecules that is present in the ratio of an atom to form an compound. So H2O. So the ratio is small in numbers so that it can easily form in the form of compound. Then the atom can be explained as देखो एक simple example लेते हैं, element A plus element B. ओके, एलिमेंट ए और एलिमेंट बी दोनों को मिक्स करके क्या होगा फॉर्म, यू विल फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड, यू विल फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड. फॉर एग्जांपल एलिमेंट ए हाइड्रोजन है, एलिमेंट बी ऑक्सीजन है, so when they react with each other you form a compound known as H2O. okay, that is known as compound. तो simply याद रखना है जब एलिमेंट ए और एलिमेंट बी दोनों ऐड होते हैं तो दे फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड, दे फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड. देन no new atom is formed or no atom can be destroyed. तो हमने एलिमेंट ए और एलिमेंट बी से कोई नया एटम फॉर्म नहीं किया है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू फॉर्म एनी एटम. एटम कैन नॉट बी क्रिएटेड, इट कैन नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड एंड इट इज कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड. सो हमने एलिमेंट ए प्लस एलिमेंट बी से जो कंपाउंड फॉर्म होता है दैट इज नॉट अ न्यू कंपाउंड, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सम पार्ट ऑफ ए प्लस सम पार्ट ऑफ बी is mixed together and form a compound. Okay, so this is the element compound is a combination of the element A and element B. Okay, abhi samajh mein aaya? Then the next point you are supposed to remember that all the atoms are same but they are having identical mass and properties. All the atoms are same but some atoms are having different identical mass and different properties. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैंने आपको water का एक example दिया था और एक example देती हूँ मैं CO2. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. So water का example मैंने कैसे दिया था आपको? 2 molecules of hydrogen plus 1 molecule of oxygen is leading to the form of H2O. तो अभी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे फॉर्म होगा? 2 molecules of carbon plus 1 molecule of oxygen will form carbon dioxide. Sorry. 1 molecule of carbon and 2 molecules of oxygen will form carbon dioxide. अभी समझ में आया what is Dalton's theory? So 2 atoms of element A plus 1 atom of element B together forms a compound. So this is in the form of water. But carbon dioxide में क्या होता है? 1 atom of element A and 2 atoms of element B together forms a compound. So students, I hope you have understood about the Dalton's theory. What is Dalton's theory? Okay.